Hi, I'm Michaela,
I'm Jordan.
and today we're going to show you how to make plastic with milk and vinegar. We have our milk boiling because that's the first thing you want to do is, well, you don't necessarily have to have your milk boiling, but you do have to get it warm or hot. You can use the oven. We're using a hot plate. Well, you can use the stove. We're using the hot plate. Also, in the directions it says that you can use the microwave. If you just put the milk in there for 2 minutes, that will also work. But we're just waiting for the milk to get warm or hot right now. And
we're using this Horizon organic milk because it's non-homogenized.
Milk is warm. You want to pour some vinegar in it. And then start mixing it around, and it should separate and kind of get chunky.